In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Airtable automations in 60 seconds. Let's dive right in and get started on this simple yet powerful tool. First things first, you'll want to head over to Airtable's website. Once you're there, log in to access your workspace. Now once you're in, direct your attention to the top of the screen and click on the automation button. This will bring up the automation menu, which is the key area where all the magic happens. You'll see an option to highlight something on your screen. Go ahead and click on that to better organize your elements before proceeding. Once your screen is set, make sure to select the Automations tab again to enter the main automation setup panel. The next step is to add a trigger. It's as easy as clicking the Add Trigger button. A list of automation options will pop up, allowing you to choose the one that best suits your needs. Choose wisely. This will determine what prompts your automation to kick into action. After selecting your preferred trigger, it's time to focus on where this automation will take place. You'll need to select a table from your database. Simply click on Select a Table and pick the one that matches your desired task. Once you've chosen a table, then move on to picking a view. Again, it's all about finding the right fit for your specific workflow. Click on the Select a View option and choose a view that complements your task. Now let's focus on the fields related to this automation. Select the relevant fields carefully by clicking on Select Fields. This ensures that your automation processes the correct data values within your table. Next up, toggle through the various options available to refine your choice. This helps in tailoring the automation parameters according to specific needs or conditions you might have. When you're ready, it's time to decide which record will get the spotlight in your automation by clicking on Choose Record. Select the desired record that matches your criteria. Now let's add some complexity to our automation. Click on Add Advanced Logic or Action to implement intricate conditions or actions that enhance its functionality. Here you'll see a list of automation options. Click to choose one that aligns with your goal. Following that, it's necessary to go over some more choices. Click on Choose from Appropriate Options to further customize your automation logic or action steps. Once more, you'll need to select a table. This ensures the action logic connects with the right dataset. After that, select another table if needed by clicking on Table 1. As you configure the automation, click on the base record URL to reference or include a link to a specific entry within your table. Then navigate to Action Details to review the whole configuration. Here you can make changes to any fields or inputs within your process. If your automation involves a name change or reference, click on Choose Field to point out where the adjustments are needed. Select Name to specify the field tied to the automation. Finally, hit Generate a Preview to see everything in action before pressing Go. This preview step lets you verify that your automation will function as intended, and there you have it. With these steps, you're well on your way to mastering Airtable automations. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.